In this video, I'll show you how to send Ton from Binance to a Telegram wallet. Now, if you have some Ton on your Binance and you have to send it to your Telegram wallet, what you need to do, go to your go to your Telegram, click on this wallet, that is from the settings option, click on wallet, wait for it to gradually open up. Once it has opened up, click on deposit, wait for it to open up, click on the external wallet. Once you click on it, you're going to be able to get your Ton wallet address. So once I've copied it, go to your Binance, click on send, click on the second option, come on here, type in Ton, select Ton, paste the wallet address you copied from a Telegram wallet here, enter the memo, and enter the amount you want. Once you're done, click on the withdraw. You're going to be able to do the required verification to be sure that you're the one that is doing this. So once you're done, you're going to be able to send Ton from your Binance to Telegram wallet. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.